Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pusham Raja and you are watching Automania. और जैसे कि आप लोगों ने देख लिया ऑलरेडी टाइटल में कि इट्स अबाउट धनतेरस शॉपिंग एंड ऑल्सो फॉर शॉपिंग फॉर द लॉन्ग राइड, क्योंकि लॉन्ग राइड बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है, बहुत सून, बहुत जल्दी, एंड आपको पूरा देखने को मिलेगा ओनली इन ऑटोमेनिया. एंड इसलिए अगर आप लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, अगर आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं मेरे चैनल, सो डू लाइक कमेंट चैनल, सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल फॉर व्हाट अबाउट अपडेट्स. और आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं बोलपुर लक्ष्मी, आई थिंक नेम इज चौधरी ऑटोमोबाइल्स, नॉट लक्ष्मी ऑटोमोबाइल्स, चौधरी ऑटोमोबाइल्स. तो क्यों जा रहे हैं हम लोग? क्योंकि वहाँ से हम लोग को लेना है राइनॉक्स का राइडिंग पैंट, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर सेफ्टी, और मेरे पास राइडिंग पैंट नहीं है, सो इट्स बेटर आई गेट इट फॉर द लॉन्ग राइड. और हाँ, दैट इज ओनली ऑथोराइज्ड place for getting Rhynox accessories, jacket, which means jackets, gloves or pants, whatever. I talk to them and yes, I'll be going there to get it. I'll show you what are the pants which is available. One second, I got a call. Okay, I'll show you the accessories which are available and phone आ रहा है. Okay, एक्सेसरीज दिखाने के बाद क्या क्या जैकेट्स मिलता है, क्या क्या ग्लव्स मिलता है, पैंट, सब कुछ मैं आपको दिखा दूंगा और फिर डिसाइड करेंगे कि क्या लेना है, कौन सा पैंट मुझे लेना है. तो वहाँ जाके मैं डिसाइड करूँगा फाइनली. और ये दिवाली शॉपिंग भी हो रही है, यू कैन से इट्स अ दिवाली शॉपिंग और धनतेरस शॉपिंग, व्हाटएवर. एनीवेज गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड टू ऑटोमेनिया एंड आई विल सी यू जस्ट इन अ व्हाइल व्हेन आई रीच द शोरूम व्हिच इज चौधरी ऑटोमोबाइल्स एट बोलपुर. सी यू इन अ बिट. So guys, this is the Rhynox Stealth Evo series and that's the Adventure, I guess. No, it's the AirTex model, not the Adventure, the AirTex model. And this is also the Stealth one. The Adventure nahi hai? The Adventure nahi hai? Adventure, okay. This is the Adventure model and you are getting Knox armors, something insurance, you are getting some 50,000 rupees insurance you will be getting with this, and you got Knox armors. And this is this bi-color, is grey and white color, and this is the black one, and it is all level 3 protected. Yes, I'll be giving the detailed review after the ride, guys. I cannot give you any review right now at this point of time, but the only difference between this one, the latest model of the Stealth Evo, and the older model is the new model has this one, and the older model has this kind of system. So that's the basic difference, and you are getting rain cover with this. With the new one you don't get any rain covers. Actually I have rain cover of Motor Top, so I don't think I need the rain cover, but the quality of this model is absolutely gorgeous. But anyway, talking about the pricing, this is costing around 8,950, and this is the Stealth Evo, and the Adventure will cost you around something about 7,950 rupees, and there is another AirTex model which will cost you around 7,250. So anyways, I'm going for the best model. It is our top one model to eta Rhynox এর উপর আছে. আর কোন কি আছে এর উপরে? So I'm just asking if there is any model above this, so I'll just take that out as well. Comes with 5 years warranty, Knox armors. Knox is the best in the business. Knox armors, waterproof, ventilated, and it's also having this thermal liner, which will be very 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 useful in the long rides, guys, especially in Spiti, Sikkim, and also in Ladakh rides. Anyways, this is Chaudhary Automobiles in Bolpur, and they have the all kind of accessories of long rides or any kind of automotive requirements. You will find it here. ये टॉप मॉडल तो अच्छा, तो यही है टॉप मॉडल. देयर इज नो अदर मॉडल, इज ओनली द टॉप एंड वेरिएंट. एंड हाँ, द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो इन दैट हायर साइड, अराउंड 9,000 रुपीज़, विच इज़ रियली कॉस्टली, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इट सर्व्स द पर्पस. एंड अगर आपको ওই লেগ গার্ডগুলো কত দাম আছে, ওই বায়োনিকগুলো? হ্যাঁ, 2,800. এটা বায়োনিক নাকি ওটা? So these leg guards, these knee guards will cost you around 3,000 rupees. Okay, exactly this one, 3,000 rupees. And if you guys save a bit more and go for the basic model of Rhynox, which will cost you around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, I think that is worth it, because the pants will give you entire, safety. The hip will be protected, your knee will be protected, and this is all 600D material, so your entire lower part will be protected, and this will protect only your knees, and Trust me, this plastic, I don't know how much. I'm sure this is a very good product. It's costing you 3,000 rupees. Even Rhynox has one which is around, Rhynox এর কত দাম? Rhynox এর একটা আসছে 4,000 টাকা বলে না? 4,000, 4,000 rupees. So I think 4,000 থেকে একটু বেশি দিয়ে প্যান্ট is a much good deal actually. Okay, you need to save a bit up, but then go for the pant. Anyway, the review will be definitely coming after the ride and all. You can definitely see how this performs. I'm very sure this will be doing good. So okay, this is all I have to say from here, and that's the first look of the Rhynox Stealth Evo 2022 edition. It's the latest edition. Hardly there is any review for this pant, and you can also adjust your armors from here. You can open up and adjust the armors from here, and this is the belt system, and you have another new addition in the pant, which is this long chain. This long chain will help you to pair up with the maximum of the riding jackets, and the short chain is for Rhynox jackets. So Rhynox jacket, BBG, they all have the short chains. You can connect it with your jacket and make it one suit. These are all mesh materials. Even you've got mesh materials here, good for stretching and all. Yes, overall a very good product, healthy product. Around 8,950 rupees, and this is 7,950 rupees, the Adventure model, and the Airtex is around 7,250 rupees, guys. This is the first look, and let me know what you think of this one. And by the way, happy Diwali and happy Dhanteras. ये मेरा हो रहा है धनतेरस का शॉपिंग एंड दिवाली का शॉपिंग, and I hope you guys are doing it too. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this Rhynox riding pants, and I'm getting this one, and the details of the shop will be written in the description box. दादा लोकेशनটা বলে দাও না একবার, লোকেশনটা বলে দাও। আমি তো
বোলপুর কলেজ থেকে সোজা এসে বাঁহাতেই পড়বে। বোলপুর কলেজ
নামটা জায়গাটা
স্কুল বাগান, স্কুল বাগান চৌধুরী অটোমোবাইল।
ফোন নাম্বারটা নিচে দিয়ে দাও। So yes guys, that's it for this video, and let me know what you think about this. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to Automania, guys, and keep loving, keep revving. And before ending, as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear seat belts while driving, and never drink and drive. Mera to ho gaya Diwali shopping. What about you? This is Proshan Manaj. You're watching Automania, signing off. Tada.